Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to change your playlist picture on Spotify. To change the playlist picture on Spotify, first open up the Spotify app, which you can download from the Google Play or App Store based on your device. After opening up Spotify, log into your account. And after logging in, you will see your library option in the bottom corner. Click on that and click on to the playlist that you want to change the profile of. And after clicking on the playlist, click on the three dots. You will see an option called Edit. Click on that and click on Change Image. Now you can either take picture or choose from library. Do any one and choose the photo that you want to set. After doing that, click on Choose and click on Save. Now you have successfully changed the photo of the playlist on Spotify. So that was the process of changing picture of the playlist on your Spotify. If this video was useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification if you wish to get notification from our side. For now, thank you for watching the video.